Give myself 10 minutes and see if I could find a profitable product and just show you what I'm looking for if I was to go through as fast as possible. So let's begin. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. So first things first is I am going to take a look at what filters I have, and I'm going to just squeeze these because I need to be looking at, just basically the best stuff. So 32, we'll go 100. We'll go down, we'll go 80. And then, so I'm looking for a specific sales rank, and then I'm looking for specific ROI and profit. New sellers 3, it's less than £9. Reviews at least 9, rating at least 3. So that should tighten everything up. And so out of 4,800 products, we're looking at 102. Filter manager, we're going to, instead of 110, it whittled it down to 24. What I will do is I could go by ROI, or sometimes I like to go by rank. I see that there's some baby products in there, and recently I've been just really over baby products. Vitacost, these are in here, and they're in here because there is a sale going on. So make sure that you're using your coupons, you're using email alerts and stores newsletters to find products. So this is a mismatch. This is blueberry and cranberry. There's a baby product. I'm just trying to see if anything's jumping out at me. So at Target we have these face masks. The pictures look the same, so let's open this up and see what we got here. So it is a variation listing. So what you want to do for this real quick, in Keepa, hit variations, sort it, and where's this Batman one? So Batman's getting 11% of the sales, basically because it has 11% of the ratings. Safe to say that it's getting 11% of the sales. And what was the rank on this? 27 in toys and games. 27 in toys and games, hot dog. Toys and games, estimate sales, 14,850. So let's go 14,000. And yes, I should have been able to do that in my head. So 1,400 sales a month on these Batmans. It's 14 pieces. 14 pieces. Some game I would be getting it for 13. And I do believe I have my sales tax in here, right? 750 sales tax. If I sent it to the prep center in New Hampshire, I wouldn't have to pay that. So now let's look at the price history. So it is sort of up here. It was, more so selling for this $25 for, almost a month, for 3 weeks. But then it was up here. And we can see that there's, 4 sellers. Sort of the most was, this 12, 10, 10 number, and it's been, it was out of stock, and then the price went up. And that's why. So 29. Let's just bring it down to 25 just to be a little more realistic. And you're still getting 364, 26% ROI, 15% margin, 1,400 sales just for the masks, or the Batman mask variation divided by, let's say, 6. I mean, even if you doubled that and it was at sort of what it was, like the highest, 12, I mean, you're looking to sell 100 of them. 3 more minutes to go. And I mean, just if you did, say you bought 2 dozen of these, there's $87. So there's $87 in 10 minutes. So let's try to find something else real quick. I don't know why I don't have my Keepa chart on up here. A little more stable price graph. Be fully transparent, I bought a bunch of these and I just sent them to FBA. So these 1539 you're getting back. It is a 2-pack. So 559 times 2. So we're looking at 1120. You're getting 335 back. 28% ROI, 13% margin. Okay, and if we take a look at the Keepa, I mean, it's pretty consistent from what it was back here, 25, and now it's, you know, at that 25 number again. Say it went down to 22, what would happen at 22? Okay, you wouldn't be losing money. So if the price tanked and a whole bunch of other people were trying to get rid of their product at this price and you wanted to get your money back, you could get your money back. But otherwise, I mean, you're selling it at the 24, 25 number, and so if you sold, you know, 18 of these at 253, that's another 45 bucks on top of, I don't know, what was it, 80, 85, 75. So in 10 minutes of work, just going through the data that Tactical Arbitrage pulled up, compiled for you, and you just put on some filters, tried to make them really tight so you were only seeing the best data possible, because you said, hey, I'm only gonna give myself 10 minutes. There's some good products right there. And I mean, shoot, from here you could do some reverse sourcing on the other people who are selling these products, keep going through your Tactical Arbitrage searches, and you know, that's it. That's 10 minutes of super rapid online arbitrage sourcing.